హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈరోజు వీడియో వచ్చేసి బేసిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ అండ్ పొల్యూషన్ కంట్రోల్లో చాప్టర్ ఫస్ట్ వీడియో అనమాట. వీడియోలోకి వెళ్ళిపోతే, ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ద సరౌండింగ్స్ ఆర్ కండిషన్స్ ఇన్ విచ్ ఏ పర్సన్, యానిమల్ ఆర్ ప్లానెట్ lives or operates. Pollution is explained as any substance introduced into the environment that adversely affects the usefulness of resources. Pollution can be in the form of solid, liquid, or gaseous substance. Pollution is defined as the excess discharge of any substance into the environment which affects adversity quality of environment and causing damage to humans, planets and animals. The nature and concentration of pollutant determine the severity of effect of pollution. Types of pollutions. Ecologically, pollutants can be divided into three types. One is degradable or non-persistent pollutants. Second, slowly degradable or persistent pollutions. Third is non-degradable pollutants. First one, degradable or non-persistent pollutants. The pollutants that can be rapidly decomposed by natural processes is called degradable or non-persistent pollutants. Second, slowly degradable or persistent pollutants. Some pollutants remain in environment for longer time because they decompose very slowly by the natural process. Example, plastic, pesticides, etc. Third one, non-degradable pollutants. Some pollutants which can be decomposed by natural processes are called non-degradable pollutants. Example, lead, mercury, nuclear waste, etc. Classification of pollution. Some of the significant pollutants that pollute the environment is divided into following types. Air pollution. It is defined as undesirable contamination of gas, smoke, dust, foam, mist, odor, or chemical particles in the atmosphere which are injurious to human beings, plants and animals. Causes of air pollution. Industrialization, urbanization, vehicle emission, deforestation, population. Types of air pollutant. Air pollution can broadly be classified into two types: primary pollution, secondary pollution. First one, primary pollutants. Pollutants that are emitted directly from either natural events or from human activities or dust storms, volcano, etc. And human activities can be emission from vehicles, industrial wastes, About 90% of global air pollution is constituted by A. Carbon oxides CO1, CO2, B. Nitrogen oxides, C. Sulfur oxides, D. Hydrocarbons, E. Particulate matter. Secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants, when reacting with each other, are from basic components of air, forms a new pollutant called secondary pollutant. For example, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, etc. Major air pollutants are carbon monoxide. It is a colorless, odorless, flammable gas which is a product of incomplete combustion. Carbon monoxide is formed whenever a carbon material is burned. Example, automobile exhausts, cigarettes, etc. In addition to motor vehicles, sources of carbon monoxide include burning coal, natural gas, or biomass. Effects of carbon monoxide. When humans are exposed to CO, it interferes with oxygen carrying proteins in muscles. It forms carboxyhemoglobin at the expense of oxyhemoglobin. Tissues are thus deprived of oxygen and asphyxiation occurs. If exposed to high doses of CO, the permanent brain damage and even death will result. Measures to reduce carbon monoxide. About half of the motor vehicle carbon monoxide emissions in our country are produced by only 10% of vehicles. Efforts are underway to find and remove such vehicles from the road. Car and truck owners need to maintain their vehicles in such a manner so that they operate cleanly as they were designed to operate. Other measures to control carbon monoxide emissions include facilities that burn fossil fuels or wood to maintain high burning efficiencies and prohibiting open burning of trash and garbage. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో ఇక్కడితో ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాం. అంతవరకు బాయ్.